Meaning of goal.
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 Goal. The word goal refers to a desired outcome or achievement that one works towards. It is a target that one sets for oneself, often with the intention of achieving something important. Goals can be short-term or long-term, and they can vary in scope and complexity. Whether it is personal, professional, or academic, setting goals provides direction and motivation for individuals to achieve what they want in life. Overall, goals are essential for success because they help individuals focus their efforts, make progress towards their aspirations, and ultimately accomplish their dreams.